So guys, in this video I'm going to share a short, quick and an easy recipe with you all, which is mozzarella stick. So without wasting your time guys, चलिए शुरू करते हैं। हाँ रुको, पहली बात ingredients बहुत कम है, तो अभी वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। So guys, for the first ingredient you will be needing 1 block of mozzarella cheese, 3 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, half cup of bread crumbs, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and last but not the least 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. So guys, these are all the items for the method 1. So guys, first add maida into the bowl, then add the corn flour, then the 1 teaspoon of oregano to give more flavor. And to give more spice, add 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, a little bit of salt, add water as per your requirement because we need a thick batter. Then mix it well and make a thick batter. So see, now my batter is ready. And now let us take the method 2 ingredients, which is cheese, and a knife and a plate. First, cut the cheese block into 2 halves. Then keep aside 1 block and take 1 block for the first batch of sticks. Then cut it at an equal distance. Most preferable would be that you all should cut at least 1 inch of distance. Now, as you can see, I've cut 1 half of block. Now it's time to cut the second half by the same method. Now once you all have cut all the sticks, take a kadhai, add oil and heat it. And once you have kept the oil for heating, you will need to start coating the sticks into the batter and with the breadcrumbs. As you can see, I started coating the sticks in the breadcrumbs. Cover it well and add it in the oil, and please ensure that the oil is on medium heat. And now fry the others with the same method. So see, your mozzarella cheese sticks are ready. And now I hope so you'll like the recipe. If you did, like the video, share the video, subscribe to my channel, and also comment below how much you like this recipe. And before going, please check out the revised recipe for more information.